Hey guys, so this is my continuation from my previous video where I was telling you why I started my YouTube channel. So before I hit the road to get the gardening stuff, just having my last cup of coffee, my second one for the day, because yeah, it's a bit cold. But yeah, I'm gonna hit the road. I'm going to get some flowers. I'm gonna get some nice beautiful stone, black, white stones, just to try to make the garden look better, because actually we don't have money for landscape, to pay the landscaper or yeah, somebody for the exterior design. So we might as well do it ourselves, DIY, and we'll show you the before and after, and then you can rate my DIY if it was a good idea or not. Welcome to old age. Anyway, to the new subscribers, hi guys, my name is Tuli. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the continued support. To the one who has not yet decided to either click or like or share or comment, please do the right thing. And thank you so much guys, I really appreciate. I mean, we're on 450, I think. Yeah, we're getting there, and let us see your likes, your support guys, for subscribing, it means a lot. So yeah, just gonna finish off my cup of coffee and then I'm gonna hit the road. It's a bit cold in South Africa to work. Northwest, everywhere it's cold, but yeah, we're loving the weather. And I'm a June baby, so love this season. And yeah, enjoy. And I'm gonna hit the road, and yeah, come with me as I go shop some few things. I don't know, but I'll see as I shop. Maybe I'll see other few nice things. So I like this nursery quickery this side, so I'm gonna use that one. And there's another one on the road, same area. I'll also check that one out, but I'm gonna start with the stones, you know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the vlog, the gardening vlog. Good morning, how are you? How much are these roses here? These ones? But then can I do them now in winter?
Yeah.
Can I plant them?
Yeah, you can plant it.
Oh, okay.
And
then
it's harder, you don't cover.
Is it?
Yeah, because other plants you can cover it. And what about the special plants, especially for like these ones? You can
How much are these?
90 rands, 90 sell.
It's on special.
Yeah?
90 rand.
It's a normal price.
So the special is how much?
No.
Thank you.
I'm good. I just need some flowers and black stones. I want these black stones, like this one.
I'm doing the owners for the shade.
Oh, okay. So the black stones.
Just the black one.
Oh, okay. So can I maybe have this? So yeah. So I just want the ones because they'll plant them, and because it's winter, would they like be quick to bloom or take some time? It will take some time.
What's again?
The flowers, they will take some.
Full sun.
Okay.
And then the violas, these ones and these ones. And the primulas for the shady area. As well as these ones, they are in pots for the shady area.
Most of the time I'm waiting almost all day.
Yeah, let me take 4 and then I'll come back for another 4 if I need it.
We are waiting almost 3 people, but today we are waiting only 2. So when the customer coming, I say, sorry, we are seeking another customer. Come back to you.
I show me. Hello. Why it's not talking to me now? What is the name? Ben. And then are you also selling them? After nursery quickery, I then head to another place that's called Jasmine. It's so beautiful and it's like a fruit market, fruit and veggie market, but they also have nice plants. So I then went to go see what variety I can get so that I can get for the garden. I also come to this place to shop my vegetables and fruits. Guys, you must try it out. It's so amazing. The flowers are reasonable, and I then got some few vegetables and some few fruits. You can see it's next to the farm, so it's organic stuff, and they are so reasonable. Like imagine avocados at like 24 rands for 4. I mean, that's a bargain. They've got nuts, they've got chocolates, everything you can get. I then went to the cafe just on top of Jasmine. It's called the Upstyle. It's so nice. If you just take a drive to Harties, you love this nice cute cafe. I came for the smoothies because they are amazing. So this is how the garden looks. So I decided that I'm just gonna put some stone. I'm gonna remove this garden and then put the stones all over, and then here just try to plant because I had some plants but the animals just eat them. So maybe put some more white stones so it looks a bit nicer. And yeah, the garden this side it's better, just that it's winter, it's a bit brownish. Inside it's like this. There's nothing much here, so I'll add maybe more colorful flowers this side. So these are still there, but at least the animals doesn't eat these ones, but it's within the what do you call it, the gate. So at least it's not bad, but I just need to put some color in these flowers. They're a bit boring, but yeah, I'll add more flowers. Oh, it's quite a lot. It's so lovely. That was it with gardening. So just decided to take a walk to the pool area and just to enjoy the scenery, the views. Just love the area because it helps me just to calm down, some peace of mind. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share my video. Thank you guys.